Thank you for joining us this morning for Air and Industry Impact Week. Here are our opening comments.
Good morning and welcome to the fourth and final day of Impact Week. I'm Scott Springer and I'm the Director of Collaboration and Development for the Wright Brothers Institute. It's been our pleasure to host this week's event and bring together the amazing collection of speakers and content that's being shared with you. On behalf of the Wright Brothers Institute, I'd like to express our sincere appreciation to the many individuals and organizations who've shared their time, talent, and numerous other contributions in order to make this Impact Week event a success. We thank you. Over the past 3 days, we've heard from a number of speakers who've highlighted opportunities for government, industry, and academia to work together and alongside others in the public and private sectors in order to accelerate innovation. On Tuesday, we heard from members of the Air Force leadership regarding the Air Force's openness and interest in connecting with innovators and organizations of all sizes across all sectors who are pursuing new ideas and commercializing new technologies that could help address its operational and capability needs in support of the hundreds of thousands of servicemen and women who carry out the Air Force's mission around the globe each and every day. It's one of the key challenges for the Air Force to find new ways to harness the innovation and technology, networks, and problem-solving skills that reside outside of the Air Force enterprise. However, by doing so, it doesn't replace or undermine the role and significance of the Air Force's own research and development initiatives, but instead enhances the likelihood for all those willing to collaborate to identify, develop, and capitalize on the creation of new technologies, many of which will likely have dual-use capabilities and therefore make an impact in both the military and commercial market space. For small businesses and universities, Wednesday's sessions highlighted the Air Force's SBIR and STTR programs and the opportunities they create to encourage and support the exploration and development of new technologies. We learned from universities such as Texas A&M, the University of Wisconsin, the University of California, Riverside, and others on how they're forming partnerships and collaborations in order to leverage the collective knowledge and expertise of one another and in order to accelerate the progress and achievements associated with their individual and combined initiatives. And yesterday afternoon, we learned through hearing case study examples of how traditional solution development timelines can be significantly compressed when individual competition stands down and is instead replaced with a group focus toward a unified outcome and a payoff that benefits all participants. Woven within many of this week's sessions and speaker messages has been a sense of exploration and an acknowledgement of the entrepreneurial spirit needed to create change. It's within that same spirit and determination that new companies form, jobs are created, and new products and services grow. And it's within that context that today's sessions introduce many of the resources available at the local, state, and federal level to help entrepreneurs, small business owners, and others who are establishing and growing their organizations in pursuit of defense, space, and aerospace-related market opportunities. You'll hear about organizations and programs specifically designed to support you as you look to launch your business, seek funding opportunities, mature your technology, and drive improvements in manufacturing efficiencies. You'll also learn about opportunities to transfer technology from federal laboratories like the Air Force Research Laboratory and to begin commercializing it in the private sector. You'll hear from a couple businesses later today who are actually doing that right now with technology developed from inside of a NASA laboratory. But for a moment, I'd like to circle back to the central idea of collaboration and how for the Air Force, tackling some of our nation's toughest technical challenges can't be accomplished by any one company or any one sector alone. It's through working together and with one another where we all can create the greatest impact and accelerate success. The founding director of the Wright Brothers Institute, Dr. Bart Bartholomew, often said, "Every team wants collaboration, and every organization wants innovation, but it's through the synergy of the two where transformative results and new breakthroughs really occur." As a 501c3 nonprofit and a partnership intermediary to the Air Force and its research laboratories, Wright Brothers Institute serves as a neutral broker and connector. Our core motivation is to bring together people and resources across all sectors to solve complex problems and technical challenges. In the work we do, we help foster collaborative research and development initiatives and explore the art of the possible through open innovation challenges. We assist in technology transfer opportunities that spin out to industry innovations developed inside federal laboratories, or that spin in commercial solutions to address military needs. And through the rapid prototyping and testing of technologies, we help accelerate the maturation and transition of technology and capabilities into the Air Force enterprise. Our Small Business Hub and its AFRL-SBHub.com website serves as an online portal and resource to better connect you to the Air Force's science and technology enterprise, solicitations, and acquisition pathways. There are also profiles and links to other organizations who provide a variety of support resources and who can also assist you. If you'd like to connect with any of the speakers or organizations featured during this week's events, and you don't know exactly how to go about doing that, please reach out via email to me or any member of the Wright Brothers Institute team, and we'll be happy to quickly connect you. In closing, I hope the messages and examples you've seen throughout this Impact Week will inspire you and others to take up the opportunity to partner with the Air Force and the space, aerospace, and defense communities at large. Working together, we can achieve our greatest potential and deliver incredible breakthroughs. And now I'll turn it back over to my colleagues to introduce our next speaker. Enjoy today's session, and thank you.